Here's the second 44-inch Home Decorators Collection Ashby Park. Actually, it was the first one to be installed. This one's been installed for almost over 2 years now. But I count it as the second one in the terms of installs because the first one is the one out in the living room and this is the second one. But if you're counting being installed, this is the first one that I installed, then that one. And then if I replace this one with another one of these, that one will be the third one. Again, I don't know if 100% if that's going to happen, but it might. We'll see. Here's the light, again set to 2700K on the color temperature setting. Same blade, blackened oak to white, light gray washed oak. I'm turn it on low here. Does have a bit of a hum, not too bad. They're in a slight breeze. Here's the light. Turn it on medium. Medium with the light on. Go ahead and throw her on high here. And so we're gonna have good air as usual. High with the light on. And we'll go ahead and do spin down. Just turn that on, shut this off. Doesn't feel right. Maybe it does. I don't know. And there we go. I think this one has a shorter spin down than the living room one. Because this one has, this one and the living room one have a year difference of being installed and bearing wise, and even though the living room runs a little bit more than these two bedroom ones do, and this one and that one. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. This is a 2024 remake of this fan. If I haven't mentioned it already, probably didn't. I don't know. Who cares? Anyway, bye.